Hazrat Urwa bin Zubair reports that Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha, the wife of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, told him, when the sun got eclipsed, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam performed the prayer. He got up, pronounced takbeer, and recited the Quran for a long time. Then he bowed down and bowed for a long time. Thereafter, he pronounced Allah Jalla Jalaluhu listened to him who praised him. After raising his head and continued standing in the same posture, then he sallallahu alaihi wasallam made a long recitation that was lesser than the previous one. Thereafter, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam bowed down and bowed for a long time, but it was shorter than the previous bowing. Then he sallallahu alaihi wasallam performed 2 long prostrations, then did the same in the second unit. Thereafter, when he sallallahu alaihi wasallam performed the salutation, the sun had become bright. Then delivering the sermon about solar and lunar eclipse, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, these are 2 of Allah's signs. They do not get eclipsed on account of anybody's death or birth. Whenever you see it, rush to perform the prayer. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 1047.